Hello, my name's Jeff Moore with ICI Homes out here at Mosaic. I just wanted to talk to you briefly about a particular home called the Arden. It's one of our most popular floor plans, and we actually have a model of this home at Mosaic. But we have several quick delivery homes that we have either under construction or complete for move-in ready people who need a home sooner than later. We have one in particular that boasts a second master bedroom option. Normally the home is a 4-bedroom, 3-bath, but this particular one actually has a second master in lieu of one of the guest bedrooms, or 2 of the guest bedrooms. It has an open concept feel to it, a massive island, huge kitchen, all 8-foot doors throughout the entire home. It has a front porch on some of them, depending on the elevation. It also comes with a covered lanai in the rear of the home. All 3 of the Arden floor plans that we have as quick deliveries are all nestled against Tiger Bay Preserve, so lots of wildlife and sunsets over the tall tree line of Tiger Bay Preserve. If you'd like any more information on any of these quick delivery homes, feel free to reach out to us. We'd be more than glad to help. Thank you.